Today, folks, is National Hamburger Day. And if you didn't know that, I am informing you now. And we're gonna make some burgers. I like it my way.
And I like it mine.
And she likes it like she likes it. I mean, don't get me wrong. I like hamburgers are supposed to be. But today is a special day. It's National Hamburger Day. So I'm going for the gusto. And I'm going to show you a deluxe way to make a burger. Or at least maybe I'll, let you watch her and she'll show you how it's done. Okay? But we're going to do it.
Okay, for National Hamburger Day, you're going to need some hamburger. And I actually picked this up for like 40 cents a pound cheaper than it was fresh in the frozen section. And these are pretty good and they're really convenient. They're great value. They're, what are they? 75-25 like I like. Good deal. You're going to need some bacon. We're going to use 2 kinds of cheese because Randy loves Swiss and I love Munster. And it's everybody's own sandwich. Some onions. We got pickles. We got 57. Ketchup. Mustard. Randy loves his jalapenos, so there they are. And then for seasoning, mine will have steak seasoning on them. And Randy's will have blackened seasoning because he likes his burgers spicy.
Tammy's going to show you how I instruct her to make the perfect burger for Hamburger Day, National Hamburger Day. So stay right there.
Okay, we're going to start off. I got to heat that pan. It's cast iron and it needs to be heated. And we're going to go with a medium flame. Okay, I'm going to cut my bacon to fit my burgers. So I'm going to cut this into 3, my long strips into 3 pieces. And then when that pan gets hot, we'll drop them. All right, let's fry up some bacon. That bacon in there. All right, now we're just going to fry that up. Okay, let's get us some cheese ready. We're going to slice that up. And the reason I'm slicing it myself is it costs almost $2 more per pound for the sliced cheese versus the block. Well, for that much money, I'll slice it myself. So, I have this handy dandy little slicer. And it makes nice little, or thick and chunky, however you like it. Okay, and then down we go. Perfect little slices. As long as you're even on both sides, then you'll get good slices. Okay, let's get that Munster. All right, we're going to cut this cheese, and then when I get done with my cheese, I'm not going to leave my cheese like that because then it's going to go bad before the next time I use it. I'm going to wrap it really good and tight in saran wrap, and then I'm going to put that inside of one of those little plastic containers where you suck the air out, and make sure that I don't waste any money because that stuff is expensive. All right, just a little note there. Okay, my bacon's ready to flip, so let's get to it. Now I'm going to turn that eye down. because it's a little too high. Okay, now I have this handy dandy weight, which will make absolutely sure that my bacon is flat. And I'm just going to sit that just like that, press down, and then let it finish cooking. It'll actually cook faster, and they'll lay flat. All right, my bacon is done, nice and crispy. So we're just going to take it out of the pan, put it right in this little bowl for making our burgers later. Okay, now I know if you don't like your bacon this brown, you don't have to do that. Oops. But Randy likes his bacon really crispy, so crispy bacon it is. All right, now we're gonna get our burgers ready. Okay, now that's quite a bit of bacon grease, and I don't need that much to fry my burgers, so we're gonna take some of that out. Okay, now it's time to season up these burgers, which for us is really, really easy. You know, we've had different ways and different burgers through the years, and we've just decided that these are the two we like. All right. Gonna get these laid out, and we're gonna get them seasoned up. First up is Randy's. Randy loves black and seasoned burgers, so that's what he's gonna get. For me, it's a little spicy, and I don't particularly care for it, but he does. He likes really robust seasonings. Okay. We're gonna flip that over, and we're gonna do it on the other side. Alright, now for mine, I just like plain old steak seasoning. This is great value, but Montreal makes a really good one. And we're just going to drop that on there. And I, you know, like you saw, I do it pretty liberal because I'm not adding any salt or pepper or anything. I'm just pushing that in really good. Go. Just gonna get them fried up. Okay. My burgers are puffing up now, so they need flipped. And I'm not gonna mash them very hard, but I am gonna like push them just a little bit, but I don't want to make them dry. After I flip my burgers, I'm only going to leave the eye on like another minute, 1 to 2 minutes. That'll make a fully done burger. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to turn it off and just let it finish cooking on residual heat, and I'm going to get the cheese on it. Okay, Randy likes Swiss, so we're going to get that nice big pieces of Swiss on there. And I like Munster, so there goes my Munster. There we go. Now I'm going to set a lid on there and let that cheese melt. Lid on. Now let's get our bread ready. Okay, like I said, Randy likes singles, and I like doubles. And what we're going to do is I'm going to put a light coat of butter on there, and we're going to get them browned up. A medium heat, and we're going to let that pan get hot. Okay, my pan's hot enough now. Yep, hear that little sizzle, that's what I want. just going to brown that up. Now we're going to start building Randy's sandwiches. So we're going to start on one side with mustard. I don't even remember which side is which. That's okay. Those are the bottoms. A lot of times I mess up Randy's sandwich. He'll have 2 tops and 2 bottoms. There we go. Put some ketchup on the top. Right, just like that. We're going to set that bacon on there. All right. Okay. And now let's get us some jalapenos. There we go. Let's get us some onions. Now let's get those burgers. Go. Right there. Right there. Voila. Okay, now my turn. My way, right away now, Randy says. So I have ketchup, mustard, 57 sauce, onions, and pickles on my burger. That's how I like it.
Okay, there you have it. National Hamburger Day.
Yeah, y'all enjoy it.
Yeah.
Have a great day.
What she
Bye.
said.